All right. Yeah, I have.
So Ray, just tell me so you don't have to ask another time. What's going on now? You're really the four of you went to a house, somebody's house.
Yeah, we're just hanging out.
Okay, but whose idea was it, and whose house is it?
It's just I don't want to say that. Like there are people that are in the Dabbleverse thing. Just know Carlos Danger is here with me.
All right, let me talk to Carlos.
Carlos, come on, sit next to me for a second, Carlos. Just
Ray's a fucking idiot.
All right. I'm gonna unplug my mic so you can hear my
talk.
Carlos.
Ray's a fucking idiot. We had this all set up, but then he decided to take it all apart because he's a shithead.
Oh, let's set it back up.
Take what apart?
All right.
We had a legit podcast set up. Ray's an idiot.
Ray, what'd you do?
You were like, hey, come join. What? All right. Can you still do it? Or are you trying to do it?
Ray's stoned.
Shit. All right.
Ray,
he's trying to
stoned?
join. Yeah. He's going to try to join.
Jeez, if I want somebody stoned, I could just send a link to Stevie Lou.
Yeah. Yeah, no, you're the fucking man. No, I love you, Carlos. Carlos might join. He's going to try to join.
How many guys are up there?
3.
Okay.
Yeah, but
no, he'll shit on me. You're going to love it.
Yeah, but are you guys, is this like a man retreat?
Yeah.
Really?
Just put an adult on.
No, we're just we did my podcast. You were my podcast.
I saw. I don't want to talk to you. I want to talk to Carlos Danger.
he's gonna come on. We were set up doing my podcast, but I saw the panic to come join yours, and I'm like was on their computer, so I just like took my laptop out and like just to jump on with you. And I think I might have messed up the system that was like set up to go. If
how'd you mess it up?
I messed it up
How?
because I unplugged the computer I was on. Like the computer I was on was here. There's the mic I was using, and I was like, "Hey, they're starting," so I just grabbed my laptop and jumped on.
That was interesting. You should point the camera around the shack that you're in, so we can get a look at.
Yeah, I'd rather talk to your shoes than you.
I'll bring up my shoe. Guess what, Kevin?
No, just shoot. Just point the camera at your shoe.
I got
the Jordans.
It's a Brooks. It's a Brooks running shoe.
Is that new?
I thought you couldn't run.
I can run, man. I run 4 miles a day. Not today. Tomorrow I will. I drove. Dude, I drove.
Ray, you said Carlos Danger was going to get on. I don't want to talk to you.
He's coming. Jesus Christ. All right, well then don't fucking.
The numbers are dropping.
No, I'm going to go to New York City tomorrow. I just stopped in here.
What are you doing now?
I'm talking to you, you son of a bitch.
Pat, ask him what I'm trying to ask him.
Yeah, you're with Carlos and the Orange, and why are you guys
I'm not
up
with
there?
Carlos and the Orange.
You're with Carlos and some dude. Why are you up
there? Just because they're 30 minutes up from New York City. They're hanging up, just like chilling, and I don't have to be in New York City till tomorrow. So I was like, all right.
You're 30 minutes up from New York City upstate?
Yeah. I think a little more, like maybe like 40, 45 minutes. I don't know exactly where I'm at.
42 or what do you think?
Yeah, we got to have 43 minutes, 45. Is it 47 minutes or 42 minutes from New York City?
Maybe you're up in Syracuse or...
No.
Yeah, maybe you're hunting in... Where are you, Yonkers? I mean, you're not that far from the city.
No, we're not at all. Yeah.
So why are you acting like you're camping?
Yeah, remember when we were worried about fucking Pat's lighting? Let's focus on that. Pat, what's going on, dude? What's with the lighting, man? But dude, Carlos Danger's a big dude. I did not know he was that big dude. He's not fat. He's like tall. He's like big.
Ray's built like Kate Moss. He's waif-like and very feminine.
Carlos, you're tall. You're 6'2".
No, I'm not. Ray's an idiot. I'm 5'10".
No, he's not, dude. I'm 5'10". He's like 2 inches taller than me.
Then he's 6 feet tall.
He's a big guy. I said he looks like Remember the show Dinosaurs?
Don't spill that fucking wine, Ray. That's all I have to. Don't spill that fucking wine.
It's done. Already been spilled.
No, I already drank it. I drank the whole
where's
bottle.
Ray staying?
He's got a bed.
I got
Oh
a
He's
my
here.
God.
He's staying here.
Somebody
I didn't think-
somewhere.
I didn't think it would get awkward so fast. I know it's my fault,
Get
but
out of here, dude.
I didn't know.
Stop it, dude.
I thought we'd have a couple of beers, hang out.
No.
We didn't even get to hang out because Ray came in at 8 o'clock. It's like, we're going live at 9.
All right. We could
We're
jump
vaping
off that.
Dago. I gotta pay for gas.
Did the pink blankie make the journey as well?
Do I have your permission to talk about the weird
Yes,
shit?
you can tell.
Hey,
yeah.
Carlos, so the laundry basket you saw it?
Yeah, he brought the basket in.
He brought it in to show you, or he just wanted to carry it in because his stuff's there?
And his stuff's in it. I mean, probably both. He seemed proud of it.
Did he ask you to put the lotion in it?
There was something pink on the top, but it wasn't a blanket. But it was a children's. What was that? A pillowcase?
The pillow. No, it's the pillow.
Clothes? There was some
Pillow.
blood on it.
Children's.
No, I've shown
Like
that pillow plenty of
children's.
times.
No, it was like straight up Dora the Explorer, something like that.
Yeah.
When a grown man has a children's anything, that's a bad thing.
So you asked Ray if you had permission to talk about the weird shit. Go ahead.
That was the weirdest thing. I wasn't gonna. I mean, I was impressed. Everything he had in there was folded nicely. Like Ray spends a lot of time folding laundry. It looks like. But I didn't go through it. You know, I'm not a dick. I didn't
This
take
is
a
why,
picture of it.
Ray. This is why I wanted Carlos on. You're worthless. He's gold.
It's like I totally get why. What was it, Mr. or Mrs. Kill Everything when she said that Ray hugged her inappropriately? It wasn't like he grabbed the boob, but he just doesn't know that line.
I hugged Carlos, dude. I hugged you.
Yeah, I don't want that.
You got it anyways, dude. I hugged you.
Shake my hand. That's good enough.
No,
It's
you
done,
got a
been
hug,
done.
you dummy.
He
I don't need to
didn't
feel
want
your
it.
bones.
Was he sweaty? He's always sweaty. Always bragging how
He
sweaty.
put
he
on
is.
deodorant right away, which is
Harry Jane's deodorant.
it was. Yep.
What a small world.
He's
He
only
rubs that on his dick and he tries to make white with it. He's like, it's like she's really here.